Welcome to Gunwal classes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Graphical method of solution of a pair of linear equations. Here we will learn the graphical method of solution of a pair of linear equations. We have seen how we can graphically represent a pair of linear equations as two lines. We have also seen that the lines may intersect or may be parallel or may coincide. Can we solve them in each case? And if so, how? We shall try and answer these questions from the geometrical point of view in this section. Here, we have the first situation where the two lines intersect at a unique point. This unique point is common to both the lines. Hence, this point is the solution for the pair of given equations. So, the pair of equations in this case has a unique solution. In the second situation, we have coincident pair of lines. Are there any common points on these lines? From the graph, we observe that every point on the lines is a common point for both the lines. So each point on the lines is a solution for the pair of equations. So the pair of equations has infinitely many solutions. See, in the third situation, we have a pair of parallel lines. Since the lines do not intersect at all, this means that the lines have no common points. Therefore, for such a pair of linear equations, there is no solution. A pair of linear equations which has no solution is called an inconsistent pair of linear equations. A pair of linear equations in two variables which has a solution is called a consistent pair of linear equations. A pair of linear equations which are equivalent has infinitely many distinct common solutions. Such a pair is called a dependent pair of linear equations in two variables. A point to be remembered is dependent pair of linear equations is always consistent. We can now summarize the behavior of lines representing a pair of linear equations in two variables and the existence of solutions as follows. 1. The lines may intersect at a single point. In this case, the pair of equations has a unique solution. Consistent pair of equations. 2. The lines may be parallel. In this case, the equations have no solution. Inconsistent pair of equations. 3. The lines may be coincident. In this case, the equations have infinitely many solutions. Dependent, consistent pair of equations. Let us now write down and compare the values of A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2. Here, A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2 denote the coefficients of equations given in the general form. A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0. A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. When A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2, then graphical representation of the equations is a pair of intersecting lines, and such a pair of equations has exactly one solution. When A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2, is equal to C1 upon C2, then graphical representation of the equations is a pair of coincident lines. Such a pair of equations has infinitely many solutions. And when A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2, then graphical representation of the equations is a pair of parallel lines, and such a pair of equations has no solution. Let us now consider an example to illustrate it. Check graphically whether the pair of equations x plus 3y is equal to 6 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12 is consistent. If so, solve them graphically. Let us draw the graphs of the equations 1 and 2. For this, we find two solutions of each of the equations which are given in table. Plot the points A 0, 2, B 6, 0, P 0, minus 4 and Q 3, minus 2 on graph paper and join the points to form the lines AB and PQ. We observe that there is a point B 6, 0 common to both the lines AB and PQ. So the solution of the pair of linear equations is x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 0. That is, the given pair of equations is consistent as the equations have a unique solution.